morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period and we are doing revision of lesson number 1, that is the broken pot. In this video we will revise question answer of this chapter which you have to revise, and after that I will give you some question to do in the class group which you have to do and submit in your class group. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. This is your life skill period. Today we will revise lesson number 1, the broken pot. In this chapter, today we will revise question answer of this chapter. Question number 1, what did the water bearer do every day? The water bearer every day he took his 2 pots which he tied at the end of a pole and carried it across his neck and went to the stream to carry water. Every day he do this work. So the answer is water bearer had 2 large pots. Every day he hung each pot at the ends of a pole which he carried across his neck and went to the stream to carry water to his house. Then question number 2, why was the cracked pot ashamed of? Why the cracked pot was feeling ashamed? The cracked pot was ashamed of because due to his crack, he was unable to carry full water, or he was unable to fetch full water to the water bearer, and only half portion of the water he gave or he delivered to the water bearer. So the answer is the cracked pot was ashamed of because for the past 2 years it had delivered only half of the water because of the crack. Water leaks out all the way and the water bearer didn't get full value of his effort. In spite of his all effort, he was getting only half of the water. Though he took 2 pots along with him, but daily he get only 1.5 pot of water. That's why the cracked pot was ashamed of. Now question 3, what did the water bearer show the cracked pot to help it believe in its wrath? When the cracked pot was ashamed of his imperfection, he apologized the water bearer. So to believe in its worth, water bearer showed him the flowers, which are beautiful flowers which are grown along the path. The answer will be the water bearer showed beautiful flowers along the path to the cracked pot to help it believe in its wrath. Now after this, last question is, what did the cracked pot notice on the way back home? While returning from the stream to the water bearer's home, he saw beautiful flowers, sun-warming beautiful flowers which were grown on the side of the path. So the answer is, on the way back home, the cracked pot noticed the sun warming the beautiful wildflowers on the side of the path. After this, you have to revise these 4 question and answer, and which I will give you I will ask you in the class group, and you have to answer it. So after this, you have to learn the moral of the story also. Moral of the story is, self-esteem is the way you feel about yourself and the way you treat yourself. This is the moral of the story. This also you have to learn it. So after learn it and watch the video carefully and answer it in the class group. Whatever question is asked to you, you have to answer it in the class group. And in our next video, we will do some exercises. Thank you.